Hello guys and welcome back to Dondondrone. And today I will show you Treehouse de Valentine, located in Balamban, province of Cebu. It's about 50 kilometers away from Cebu City via Trans-Central Highway. The road is mostly sealed, so you can reach the place with a sedan or a motorcycle, but not your lowered car, because you'll get to pass through an off-road. This is the main entrance. The main reception on the right, and parking area on the left, and walkway going to the treehouse too. This is the main entrance of the house. The house has 3 king-size beds and a sofa bed. This is the first bed. And this is the second bed. You can hear the gushing sound of the river anywhere in the house. This is the terrace, with a good view of the river and the nature. You can also see from here the living and dining area. And this will be your view from the bed. This is the toilet and bathroom. Toilet seat, and a wooden bathtub with a shower, and a nature view. And this is the sofa bed. This is the stairs going down to the next floor. TV and karaoke machine with table, sofa, and chairs. This is the kitchen and sink, and a big fridge, and an induction stove. This is the third bed. There is also a toilet and bathroom on the side. A hot and cold water dispenser, the water spring and river view. Now let's check the river and spring downstairs. We have 2 hammocks and sofa. There is the water source from the spring, which flows down to the swimming area and flows to the river. The complimentary breakfast
Baka nagka-video pa.
with a view and the lovely sounds of nature. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button. See you in my next video.